You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, front disc rear drum brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.